Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you get 90 OVR Valencia striker, how to exchange rewards Hugo Duro in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get a lot of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this exchange feature, and this is the showdown player. As you can see, there are two players. We already made a video about Andre Silva, and this time is Hugo Duro, the second player. You can tap again the icon. Hugo Duro, same with Andre Silva, he only had two traits. He held to flick and Torero celebration. With 90 OVR, if you need this type of striker, you can get it by fulfill the condition. With total OVR 935, you can bring this player into your team. So start from the 86. And done. 11 player with 966 OVR. You can tap this exchange button to get this Hugo Duro. So the difference is, let's see the difference between Hugo Duro and Andre Silva. He got 89 pace, 89 shooting. So let's see if Andre Silva higher or lower. Andre Silva has had 85 pace, lower than Hugo Duro, but higher in shooting and higher in dribbling also. So I recommend you to get Andre Silva instead of Hugo Duro. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.